Diagnosis of Stephanurus dentatus infection or Stephanuriasis or pig kidney worm infection. So initially we should check the clinical signs that I have already mentioned in my previous slide. And for the confirmatory diagnosis, we have to do a urine examination. So after collection of the urine from a pig, what you have to do, you have to go for a centrifugation, and after centrifugation, you should take a drop of sediment and place it to the glass slide and examine it under the microscope. And for the treatment, there is no satisfactory treatment for Staphylococcus dentatus infection, but anthelmintic therapy can be given for get rid of this infection. Levamisole and ivermectin would be a good choice of drug for the treatment of this disease.